If you want to create a professional resume quickly and easily, LibreOffice Writer is a great free option. In this video, I'll show you how to create a resume in LibreOffice Writer step by step using a ready-made template so you can get a clean, polished result without starting from scratch. This is perfect whether you're making your first resume, updating an old one, or just want a simple, editable document that looks professional. If this tutorial helps you, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Now, let's get started. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once the program launches, you'll see the Start Center, which gives you access to recent files, documents, and templates. For this method, we're going to use a template because it saves time and helps make your resume look neat and well organized right away. On the left side of the LibreOffice Start screen, click Templates. This will take you to the template library, where LibreOffice stores different document layouts for letters, reports, business documents, and more. Scroll through the available options until you find a resume template. Depending on your version of LibreOffice, it may be labeled as Resume, CV, or something similar. Once you see a resume template you like, click on it to select it. Then choose Open or Use Template. This will create a new document based on that design, while keeping the original template untouched. That way, you can customize your own copy freely without changing the default file. Now your resume template will open in Writer. At this stage, you'll see sample text already filled in for different parts of the resume. Your next job is to replace that placeholder content with your own information. Start at the top with your full name. Make sure it is clear, readable, and easy to notice. You can also add your contact details, such as your phone number, email address, city, or professional website, depending on the layout of the template. After that, move on to your summary or objective section if the template includes one. This is where you write a short introduction about who you are and what kind of job you're looking for. Keep it simple, clear, and focused on your strengths. If you already have experience in your field, highlight your professional background and the value you can bring to an employer. Next, update the skills section. Replace the sample skills with your own relevant abilities. Try to keep your list focused on the job you want. For example, if you're applying for an office role, you might include communication, time management, Microsoft Office, and data entry. If you're applying for a technical role, include tools, software, or specialized skills that match the position. Then go to the experience section. Replace the example jobs with your own work history. For each role, include the job title, company name, dates worked, and a short description of your responsibilities or achievements. If possible, use action words and mention results. For example, instead of just saying you answered phones, you could say you managed customer communication and helped improve response time. That makes your resume stronger and more professional. If the template includes education, certifications, projects, or references, edit those sections as well. Add your school name, degree, diploma, or relevant qualifications. You can also include certifications or training that support the job you're applying for. If a section does not apply to you, you can remove it or leave it out depending on how the template is designed. LibreOffice Writer makes this easy because you can edit text just like in any normal document. You can click and type directly into each section, highlight text to replace it, and adjust formatting if needed. If something looks too large or too small, you can change the font size, spacing, or alignment to make the resume look cleaner. The goal is to keep everything simple, consistent, and easy to read. If you need to add or remove sections, you can do that too. For example, if you want to add a new section for volunteer experience, projects, or languages, you can insert a heading and type underneath it. If a section is unnecessary, you can delete it to keep the resume short and focused. A good resume is usually one page if you're just starting out, but it can be longer if you have more experience. Take a moment to review the entire document before saving. Check for spelling mistakes, grammar issues, and formatting problems. Make sure your contact information is correct, your dates are accurate, and the layout still looks balanced. This final review is very important because small mistakes can make a resume look unprofessional. Once everything looks good, click File, then choose Save As. Give your resume a clear file name so you can find it easily later, such as your name followed by resume. Then choose the folder where you want to store it and click Save. Saving it as a LibreOffice file lets you edit it again later whenever you need to make updates. If you need to send it to employers, you can also export it as a PDF. That way the formatting stays consistent when someone opens it on another computer. PDF is usually the best choice for sharing a resume because it looks clean and professional everywhere. And that's it. You've now learned how to create a resume in LibreOffice Writer using a simple template, customize it with your own details, and save it for future use. This is one of the easiest ways to build a professional resume without paying for expensive software. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more LibreOffice guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.